Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change the starting location on Waze. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone and go to the three horizontal lines on the top. Select Plan a Drive and click on the plus icon. Select a destination. After that, go to From and change from your location and to any other location. For example, I want to set it from work. Click on Save, and that's it. You can now start navigation. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.